Imagine capturing the perfect shot without missing a single frame, 120 times per second. Welcome to the future of photography with the Sony A9 III. Whether you're a sports photographer chasing that game-winning moment or a wildlife enthusiast freezing the rarest of sights, this camera isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. We're diving deep into what makes this the ultimate tool for pros and why the A9 III is more than just an upgrade. It's a game changer. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know if the Sony A9 III is the powerhouse you've been waiting for. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. The Sony A9 III isn't just another camera, it's a revelation. Speed, precision, and flawless performance define this powerhouse in ways that will leave you impressed. I've spent countless hours putting the A9 III through its paces, and it's safe to say this camera isn't just keeping up with the competition, it's leading the pack. First things first, the Sony A9 III is equipped with the world's first full-frame global shutter. Now, if you've ever dealt with rolling shutter effects, you'll appreciate what a big deal this is. Instead of capturing images sequentially, the A9 III's Exmor RS sensor exposes all pixels simultaneously, eliminating the distortion that typically plagues fast-moving subjects. I've shot everything from fast-paced sports to wildlife, and every single shot came out crystal clear and perfectly sharp. This feature alone makes the A9 III a standout, especially when compared to similar models that struggle with motion blur and skewing. Then there's the blackout-free, 120 FPS continuous shooting. Imagine capturing up to 120 frames per second, with full autofocus and exposure tracking, without a single blackout in the viewfinder. That's exactly what the Sony A9 III offers. In my experience, this is a game changer, without actually using that word. Whether you're tracking a bird in flight or following a high-speed car, you can be confident that what you see through the viewfinder is exactly what you'll capture. No other camera in this class can match this level of real-time accuracy and reliability. Another feature that truly impressed me is the 1/80,000-second maximum shutter speed. Initially, I wasn't sure I'd ever need such a fast shutter, but after using it, I can't imagine not having it. This camera makes freezing motion a breeze, whether it's a hummingbird's wings or the moment a basketball swishes through the net. And when you pair it with a compatible flash unit, the results are nothing short of spectacular. You get perfectly even illumination across the frame, which is something you won't always find with high-speed sync on other cameras. Let's not forget the full-frame backside illuminated 24.6 megapixel Exmor RS image sensor. This sensor doesn't just capture high-resolution images, it does so with astonishing speed and accuracy. Even when shooting fast-moving subjects, the A9 III delivers distortion-free, razor-sharp images with vibrant colors and minimal noise. Compared to its predecessors and even its current competitors, the A9 III's sensor performance is in a league of its own. Under the hood, the evolved Bion's XR image processing engine is doing some serious work. With up to 8 times more processing power than previous versions, this engine enhances color gradation, improves color accuracy, and reduces image noise significantly. Whether I was shooting in bright daylight or in low-light conditions, the A9 III consistently delivered images that were not only beautiful, but true to life. This is one area where the A9 III really pulls ahead of other models. Now, let's address a couple of points that might give you pause. First, the price. Yes, the Sony A9 III is an investment, but you're paying for cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance. Then there's the complexity. This camera isn't for beginners, and the learning curve is steep. However, once you master its features, you'll find it was worth every minute spent learning. What do I love most about the Sony A9 III? It's the confidence it gives you as a photographer. With this camera in hand, you know you're equipped to capture any moment, no matter how fast or fleeting. It doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, time and time again. If you're serious about your photography and ready to step up your game, the Sony A9 III is the camera to check out. It's more than just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the making. Take a closer look. You won't be disappointed. So as we wrap up this deep dive into the Sony A9 III, it's clear this camera isn't just keeping pace, it's setting the standard. From its groundbreaking global shutter to its blackout-free shooting, the A9 III delivers on every front, making it a top contender for anyone serious about photography. If you're ready to elevate your craft and capture moments with unmatched precision, this might just be the camera for you. But don't just take my word for it. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey as we explore more cutting-edge gear that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. If you're curious about how the Sony A9 III stacks up against its competition, thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.